Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Calm English Learning. I'm so glad you're here today. Today, we're going to talk about something that affects all of us, self-control. Have you ever opened a bag of chips and told yourself, I'll just eat a few, but then you finish the whole bag? Or maybe you planned to study for an hour, but you kept checking your phone instead? Don't worry, you're not alone. We all struggle with self-control sometimes. And today, I'm going to explain why this happens and, more importantly, how you can fix it. This video will help you improve your English and understand your brain better. So let's begin. Self-control is your ability to control your emotions, thoughts, and behavior. It's the power to resist temptation and do what's good for you in the long run, even when it's difficult in the moment. For example, choosing to exercise instead of watching TV, saving money instead of buying something you don't need, studying instead of scrolling through social media. Self-control is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. But also like a muscle, it can get tired. Now, let me introduce you to an important concept: willpower. Willpower is the energy you use for self-control. And here's the key point. Willpower is limited. You only have so much of it each day. Think about it this way. In the morning, after a good night's sleep, your willpower is strong. You feel motivated. You make good decisions. But as the day goes on, you use up your willpower. You make many small decisions. You resist many small temptations. By evening, your willpower is tired. This is why you might eat healthy all day, but then eat ice cream late at night. Your willpower is depleted. It's exhausted. Scientists call this decision fatigue and ego depletion. These are important terms to remember. Now, let's explore the reasons why we lose self-control. Understanding the why will help us find solutions. Your brain is designed to seek pleasure now, not later. This comes from our ancient ancestors. Thousands of years ago, humans didn't know when they would find food again. So when they found food, they ate it immediately. Today, we don't have that problem. There's food everywhere. But our brains still work the same way. We want the cookie now. We don't want to wait for the health benefits of eating vegetables. This is called the instant gratification bias. It's hardwired into us. I mentioned this earlier. Every decision you make uses willpower. Should I wear the blue shirt or the white shirt? Should I answer this email now or later? Should I take the stairs or the elevator? By the end of the day, you've made hundreds of tiny decisions. Your brain is tired. When you're tired, you default to the easy choice, not the best choice. This is why successful people like Steve Jobs and Mark Zuckerberg wore the same outfit every day. They want to save their decision-making energy for important things. When you're stressed, anxious, angry, or sad, your self-control decreases. Your brain is busy dealing with those emotions. It doesn't have energy left for resisting temptation. This is why people eat junk food when they're stressed, or why they shop online when they're feeling sad. It's called emotional regulation through consumption. If you don't have a clear reason why you want self-control, it's very hard to maintain it. For example, saying, I want to be healthier is vague. But saying, I want to have energy to play with my children, or I want to fit into my favorite clothes again, is specific and motivating. Your surroundings have a huge impact on your behavior. If you keep cookies on your kitchen counter, you'll eat them. If you keep your phone next to your bed, you'll check it first thing in the morning. Your environment is constantly influencing you, often without you realizing it. Great. Now you understand why you lose self-control. Now, let's talk about solutions. Here are 7 practical strategies you can use starting today. Strategy 1. Reduce daily decisions. Remember decision fatigue? Combat it by reducing the number of decisions you make. Create routines and habits. For example, eat the same healthy breakfast every day. Lay out your clothes the night before. Schedule specific times for checking email. When something becomes a habit, it requires no willpower. It's automatic. Strategy 2. Change your environment. Don't rely on willpower alone. Make your environment work for you. If you want to eat healthier, remove junk food from your house. Put healthy snacks at eye level in your refrigerator. If you want to exercise more, put your exercise clothes next to your bed. Join a gym near your home or workplace. If you want to study more, put your phone in another room. Create a dedicated study space. Make the good choice the easy choice. Make the bad choice harder. Strategy 3. Use implementation intentions. This is a powerful technique from psychology. Instead of saying, I will exercise more, say, I will go to the gym on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 a.m. The formula is, when X happens, I will do Y. For example, when I feel stressed, I will take 3 deep breaths. When I finish dinner, I will put my phone in a drawer. When I wake up, I will drink a glass of water before checking my phone. This removes the need to decide in the moment. You've already decided. Strategy 4. Practice the 10-minute rule. When you feel a strong temptation, tell yourself, I can have this, but I'll wait 10 minutes first. Often, the craving will pass. If it doesn't, at least you made a conscious choice instead of an impulsive one. This works because intense cravings usually peak and then decrease. By waiting, you ride out the wave. Strategy 5. Strengthen your willpower muscle. Remember, self-control is like a muscle. You can train it. Start small. Choose one area where you want more self-control. Practice every day. For example, if you always use your right hand, try using your left hand for simple tasks. If you slouch, practice sitting up straight. If you speak quickly, practice speaking slowly. These small acts of self-control strengthen your overall willpower. Strategy 6. Take care of your basic needs. Your self-control is much stronger when you get enough sleep, 7 to 9 hours. Eat regular, healthy meals. Exercise regularly. Manage stress through meditation, deep breathing, or walks. When you're tired, hungry, or stressed, your willpower is weak. Take care of yourself physically, and your self-control will improve. Strategy 7. Use positive self-talk. The way you talk to yourself matters. Instead of saying, I can't eat this cookie, say, I don't eat cookies because I'm taking care of my health. Do you notice the difference? I can't sounds like deprivation. I don't sounds like identity and choice. This small language shift can make a big difference in your self-control. This is crucial. When you fail, and you will sometimes fail, don't beat yourself up. Research shows that self-criticism actually decreases future self-control. Instead, practice self-compassion. Say to yourself, I made a mistake. Everyone makes mistakes. Tomorrow is a new day. I'll do better. This approach helps you learn and improve rather than giving up entirely. Let me give you a practical example of how to apply these strategies. Let's say you want to stop checking your phone so much. Here's how you could use what we've learned. Change your environment. Put your phone in a drawer during work hours. Turn off notifications. Create implementation intentions. When I feel the urge to check my phone, I will take 3 deep breaths instead. Or when I finish a task, I will stand up and stretch before checking my phone. Use the 10-minute rule. When you want to check social media, wait 10 minutes. Set a timer. Reduce decisions. Schedule specific times to check your phone. Maybe 9 a.m., 12 p.m., 3 p.m., and 6 p.m. Outside those times, don't decide. Just follow the rule. Change your self-talk. Instead of I can't check my phone, say I don't check my phone constantly because I value deep focus and real connections. Take care of yourself. Make sure you're getting enough sleep and managing stress so you have the willpower to stick with your plan. Forgive yourself. When you slip up and check your phone too often, don't spiral. Just acknowledge it and get back on track. See how these strategies work together? They support each other. All right, let's recap what we've learned today. Self-control is limited. Your willpower is like a battery that drains throughout the day. You lose self-control because of instant gratification bias, decision fatigue, stress, unclear goals, and your environment. But you can fix it. You can reduce daily decisions, change your environment, use implementation intentions, practice the 10-minute rule, strengthen your willpower muscle, take care of your basic needs, use positive self-talk, and forgive yourself when you fail. Remember, building self-control is a journey, not a destination. It takes time. It takes practice. But every small step matters. You are capable of more than you think. You can develop incredible self-control. You just need the right strategies and a little patience. Thank you so much for watching Calm English Learning today. I hope this video helped you understand self-control better and improved your English too. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below. What's one area where you want to improve your self-control? I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself, be kind to yourself, and keep learning. Goodbye.